In Hemri Exports, we have excellent quality shop towels. Start the process from weaving. We have specific loom machines for towels. We are mostly producing in sizes range from 12x12, 14x14. Different color options are available like green, red, blue, white, and orange. Both options are available in polycotton and 100% cotton, depending on customer requirements. Standard packing and bales, we pack them as 2,500 pieces per bale, but we can also do custom packing as per requirements. We have 4 standard packaging, 25 pieces per packet, 50 pieces per packet, 100 pieces per packet, 150 pieces per packet. Shipping arrangements. Classification of packing. For orders and details, contact us.